I want to talk to you about table lamps and how they can add both function and style to any room in your home. So I've put together a list of 10 unique table lamp ideas that will elevate your home decor. 1. Industrial-style lamps made from natural materials. 2. Mid-century modern lamps with sculptural bases. 3. Colorful lamps that add a pop of color to a neutral space. 4. Statement lamps with intricate detailing or patterns. 5. Desk lamps with adjustable arms for task lighting. 6. Vintage or antique lamps that add a touch of history to a room. 7. Wireless charging table lamp. 8. Dual-purpose lamps with built-in USB charging ports. 9. LED lamps with dimming feature. 10. Creative lampshade design. When choosing a table lamp, it's important to consider the overall design and style of the room, as well as the function the lamp will serve. Whether it's task lighting or simply adding a decorative accent, there are so many unique and stylish options to choose from. So be sure to check out the links in the description box for some great table lamp options.